These two Samsung Galaxy phones are running Android 15, One UI 7 ROM port, and we want to share larger files to devices that do not support Bluetooth or Quick Share. To start the share process, tap the QR code or link and copy the URL. Send that URL to a phone that does not support Quick Share. Tap the Receive Quick Share URL and click to download.